Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos. So for this you need to open your TikTok app first, then select that video which you wanna download. So if I'm selecting this one, so just go for a share option here. So go for copy link and link copied. Go back to it and go for a Google browser on your phone. So I'm using a Chrome browser and search here Snaptic. Go for download video TikTok HD here and now paste that link, then go for download. After that, go for download HD and you can see downloading file. Go for details and you can see it's downloading. So this is how you can download a TikTok video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.